Hello everyone! Today we will be making Swiss Meringue Buttercream. For this recipe we will need
150 grams of egg whites, 300 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 pound of butter.
First, you need to sterilize your mixing tools. I used vinegar. This is needed to degrease your tools.
Also, you need to be careful when separating the egg whites and egg yolk. You need to make sure that you don't get any yolk into the egg whites, because then the meringue won't rise.
Now we are putting the sugar and egg whites into the bowl.
Now we will be cooking over a bath of water. For this, the water will need to boil, but not so much so it touches the bowl.
Put the bowl on top of the pan.
Mix the mixture with a whisk until the temperature reaches 131 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius.
If you don't have a thermometer, you can check with your fingers that all of the sugar has melted. Take the bowl off of the pan. Add the cream of tartar. Start to mix and add the vanilla extract.
You will need to mix until you get thick and stiff peaks. You will also need to mix until the mass reaches room temperature. Only then can you add the butter.
You will need to mix for 8 to 10 minutes until the meringue reaches room temperature.
When your meringue reaches this state, you can slowly add the butter in small pieces.
When you see that one piece of butter has blended nicely with the meringue, then you can start adding the next piece of butter.
Please subscribe to our channel. In the next video, my mom will use this Swiss Meringue Buttercream to decorate her cake.
When you are finished adding all of the butter in, mix for a few more seconds so everything comes together and then the cream is ready. This cream can be used to decorate cakes and cupcakes.
If you don't use all of the cream up, then you can freeze it and use it again later.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.